Hey Gators, I'm Alicia.
And I'm Bobby.
And you're watching
Kgtr
Ardi Gras. In this episode, you'll get a glimpse on Black History Month.
And close up.
So, come along with us to see what you have in store with you. Who is Claudette Colvin? When you think of the Montgomery bus boycott, usually two names come to mind: Martin Luther King Jr. and Rosa Parks. That's it. However, there's a whole plethora of others who helped in the boycott between those two people. Claudette Colvin was the first person to be arrested for refusing to give up her seat to a white. And here's her story. As a schoolgirl, she refused to give up her seat and was taken to jail 9 months before Rosa Parks. Sadly, due to the fact that she was an unwed mother, Colvin did not receive the massive public support that Parks did. The more you know.
I'm Laura.
I'm Emily.
I'm Mary.
And I'm Kaylin. And this is Kgtr Gras. Hi to Kgtr Gras. Gator had to get open heart surgery.
And this is how his coach and fellow teammates felt.
He is an amazing guy. I don't know anyone else that could go through open heart surgery with a smile. And if you see any of the pictures that were taken by either me or his mom or his cousins, he's always smiling through it, which I think has inspired a lot of the folks. And some folks said he didn't even know simply by, if he can do heart surgery with a smile, what do we have to complain about and walk around moping about? It kind of puts things in perspective for everybody that knows him, and like I said, even for some people that don't. Logansport did that, and most of their team has never even met him. So I thought that was outstanding.
So, what are your favorite qualities about Damon?
He's a hard worker, and he works every day, and he never gets tired.
So, how has Damon's absence impacted the team?
The younger guys like me and Kid, they like to have to step up, be better leaders. You got a larger role now.
What was your take on the whole experience with Damon?
I'll tell you, to just take people more in consideration, especially going through like my page.
Has been able to come to 2 games. We're hoping he'll be here for the prep rally on Friday and be able to come and do that, and obviously for the Bird game as well. Our plans are to this year's donations for the Bird game. We in the past have given it to a cancer patient. Obviously, this year the Heart Fund is a big deal for us, so we're hoping to be able to help him with that as well.
have to eat the dream. You have to sleep the dream. You have to dream the dream. You gotta touch, you have to see it when nobody else sees it. You have to feel it when it's not tangible. You have to believe it when you cannot see it. You gotta be possessed with the dream. The dream.
Close Up 2018. Andrew, what are we about to do?
We're going to the Smithsonian. What's up? We're going to the Smithsonian. We got freaking Dave and Buster's and Not Your Average Joe's and Ellis Swift Place and a bunch of stores. It's fine.
Does T-Mobile really be booming like that nowadays?
I guess
like,
so.
come on.
T-Mobile.
Hi, my name is Mallory Kelly and I'm a junior here at Kgtr.
What was your favorite part about Close Up and would you recommend anyone else to go?
My favorite part about Close Up was going to the Capitol building. The reason why it was my favorite was because I thought it was really neat to be going somewhere where a ton of monumental decisions that highly affect our country are made. And I also really enjoyed it because we got to go into the same room where the president did his State of the Union address the night before we went into it. So I thought that was really neat. And yes, I would highly recommend people to go to Close Up Trip. It was a really extraordinary experience and it made me feel more in touch with our nation's history.